So last day, as every 3D modeler does, I was watching a 27-hour compilation of 3D models, and then I realized that I actually have no idea of what to 3D model myself. And I didn't want to do something boring, so I clicked on the YouTube icon on my desktop, and then I saw it. I saw the comment I was looking for on one of my videos, and this is what it said. And now I thought that was a good idea, so at first I wanted to create three 3D models to show you, ranging from the beginner to the advanced section, but then I realized that I do not have time to do that since I was really busy this week. So I only created one model and a half actually, and I tried to create a house, but then I gave up in the middle of the process because it was too boring for me. And then I actually asked Chat GPT for a hard 3D modeling idea, and I really liked what it said, and I'm showing it on the screen right now. It actually said that I could make a realistic skull, and then I just went with it. So I first opened up Blender, deleted the main cube, added an icosphere, and then I realized I have no ideas. So I spent my English class next day sketching the how the skull would look like, and I thought it would be a great idea to add this twist to it and add tentacles. Again, if you saw my last video, you know why I did that, so go check that out. And basically, once I got the main sketch, I just imported like 7 reference pictures into Blender and started sculpting the icosphere. I really didn't like it at first because skulls have a lot of cavities and it's really hard, as you will see on the end project. I forgot to make cavities for the nose and the eyes, so it's actually just a bump. But I didn't have time to finish it, so that's it. And then one annoying part of modeling everything was making the teeth, because of the fact that I had to get the scale right, because if I made them too big then not all of them would fit on the model, and I really hate modeling small things. But at the end I got it right, so that's good. And then I went on the part that I almost hate the most, and that is making 3D materials and textures. And I really don't like it because I'm not that experienced in making it, so I just went with it and I made a simple basic skull material, like it was, I think, just a yellow material. And then I added a mix color, and then I unwrapped the skull, and then I just got a texture from Google and used it as a brush texture. And then I applied the brush on the mesh, so it looked a little bit more like a skull. And then I painted all the details, like the darker parts and the little compass tattoo thingy on top. And then I imported the tentacle of another project. It's from a project that I did in my previous video. You can go check that out if you want. And then I had to start playing with the lighting and the whole world, and that is the thing that I hate the most, because I really have no idea what all the settings for lighting and camera settings do, so I will have to learn that in the future if I want to improve everything. But yeah, I think the skull came out pretty okay if you ask me. If I had more time, it could have been better, but I don't think it's that bad since ChatGPT gave me the idea to do it. Maybe I will make this video into a series, but we will see how that one goes. And so yeah, you can see the end result on the screen right now. And I hope you liked. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.